Now we will going to learn about a new thing that is called as a summarize function. How actually it is different. We'll show that first. Go to new page. What I will do, I will take one table. Okay. In that table, we'll put off this product line. Okay. When we take this product line, you can observe here in a product line has been shown here, and I just want to know the maximum quantity of the product line. So what we do, we usually create a max, like this one, right? Like maximum quantity I need means I can create one measure called as a, like I will create a new measure. Usually what we do, we use the aggregate functions like max quantity I need. So what we do, we use the max function. In that quantity ordered, we will take it as a column and we'll select. It will create a max quantity. If I select that one, it shows that maximum quantity, but at the end you are not getting that highest quantity, right? Highest quantity will be sold as a total here, but I just need a total of this one, but I'm not getting that one, right? I'm not getting a total of the maximum quantity here. I'm just getting a quantity, like total is not been correct. Okay, how to get it correct total, like without changing this one, we need to create a small subtable. Okay, one the subtable we need to create. In that we will calculate a maximum quantity. How can we do that one? We'll create a new measure here. Not a new measure, we'll create first new table itself. We'll create a new table. Okay, in a new table, I'll give the table name as a uh, product line pro line underscore summarize. Okay, just I give some name. Here I will use that summarize function. Okay, I'll use a summarize function. In summarize function, what it asks first, it asks the table. On which table I need to summarize. I need to summarize on a sales data sample. This is the reference table for me, comma. The second thing it asks, like group by column, means which column to be grouped like this. The product line column to be grouped like this. So product line column. Okay, comma. Then it asks like a name for your allies. In the sense, it asks that what is a new column which you are going to create in your this one, like summarize table. The name for that one, I just say name, double quote, I will write it as a max underscore quantity. Okay, there's a name I have given, comma. Now it asks which expression you will use to calculate that. I use a max formula. Max formula. In that the column name we have to select, right? So we have to select a quantity ordered column. Okay. Uh, Hope we have been done everything. We'll close one more bracket. Enter. So we got a new table. Okay, that is a small table we have got. That is nothing but a this product line summary. If I take it, product line summary, where it created. Okay, here new table it has been created. New table it has been created, product line summary. So what will happen in a product line summary? If I take a new table here, I select a product line. Okay, new table itself it will create, and we'll take a quantity summary. Now you can see it has been taken total properly. Okay, in case I will filter for, I can use some filter. I can check is there anything happens or not. We take a filter for the for year we will take. Okay, we just take it in a list wise. Okay. Now, if I take a 2015, okay, it's changing the things, but my this one is not changing. Like total is not changing. Okay, according to the filter, it's not reacting, right? So how can we do that one? Like according to filter, I need to get the react. So how to get that one? Um, what we can do in that summary, I'll try like what exactly we will do. What we'll do, we'll create one more measure for this one. Okay, we'll create one more measure. Just I will copy this entire this one. I'll control C. I'll copy. Okay, and what we'll do, we create one new measure here. We'll create new measure like maximum quantity measure which we done same like in that only we will edit or we'll create a new one. We'll create a new one. Okay, we'll create a new measure. Once I created a new measure, we'll just paste it. Okay, I just give some other name like not uh, quantity summary I given. What I will do, I will use a like sum x formula. Okay, sum x formula. For sum x formula, you will knowing that this table is nothing but the summarized table will be the reference for the sum x formula. Okay, then comma comma the expression now it will be again the maximum quantity will be the expression for me, right? So first it will based on this one table will be created. Within that created table we are taking a maximum quantity. We'll close the bracket, enter. We'll check that is it working fine or not. Okay. um, okay, here I will take that one quantity, not a maximum quantity only. We need a quantity summarize. Okay, yes, now you can see you take it properly, right? So yes, when I filter, according to filter it will take and it will take the sum, right? Here it is not at all changing, means it will summarize, means the overall summary it will return. It will not be able to filter, means there is no filter applicability here. When I use this summarized table and I created one more measure over that, okay, by using sum x formula, then we are able to use it properly, right? It taking us correct sum also as well as a filters also correct, right? So it depends. Like when you are using some of the measures, when you have this type of problem, we have to know that how to rectify them by using some of the wrappers or a summarize formula. Summarize will be very helpful when you like to create some measures. Okay, on the like filtered table, we will creating a measures that particular time. The summarize will play an important role. You can check that summarize formula how to create one table by using summarize, and that table we have been used in our sumx formula to summarize that like quantity. Okay.